Hey guys, Joshua Painter here from Remax Trend. We're standing here at the front gate of Entrada. It's a DR Horton builder. It's America's builder. And I want to take you in and show you some of the amenities because this community is very special. The maintenance fees are very low, $93 a month. There's no CDD, which is huge. You don't have to have flood insurance, and everything's included in your monthly maintenance fee of $93. I want you guys to take a look at this clubhouse, take a look at the amenities. And don't forget, if you like the video, subscribe below. I'm a real estate agent here in Southwest Florida. I work with Remax Trend. And come inside and let's take a look at the community. Right here behind us is a clubhouse. I want to take you through all the amenities that this beautiful place has to offer. It's been professionally landscaped. You got a clubhouse, you've got a fitness center. There's a nice place in there if you want to have like a birthday party for your kids, you can rent it out. It's free. It's got a resort style pool, tennis court, pickleball court, bocce court. It's got a tots area. It's got a splash pad. I think you guys are really going to love what this DR Horton community has to offer. So I want to take you guys through it, and in the comments below, let me know what you think. Come on, let's take a look. No Shave November, we call it Movember. So make sure you guys are growing out those mustaches. We do that so we can remember cancer awareness. But if you guys move into Entrada, you'll be able to cancel your gym membership. You got this great fitness center right here that you can use that's included in your monthly maintenance fee. All right, after you guys get done swimming, the kids are going to want to come over here and enjoy the playground. Just another reason why Entrada is such a nice place to live. All right, here we are. Here's the community kitchen. Man, you can throw a pretty nice party using all the commercial equipment here. A couple of refrigerators, very nice appliances for you to use. This is it. This is all included in your monthly maintenance fee. You know, low price of $93 a month. This is the lifestyle that you're wanting to live. You guys got to check out Entrada. All right, guys, here we are. We're standing at the front entrance of Entrada. I gave you the walkthrough of all the amenities. I showed you the resort style pool, the bocce courts, the tennis courts, pickleball courts, the playground, the splash pad. We looked at the community center with the gourmet kitchen inside. This is a place you're going to want to be if you want to live in paradise. Southwest Florida, DR Horton, America's builder. This is Entrada. Follow us on YouTube, follow us on Instagram, hit us on our Google My Business page. We're all over the place. Call me with any questions you've got, 239-425-5255, or send me a quick text. I'll see you guys in the next community.